how to encrypt an email on Gmail. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply encrypt your email on Gmail to make sure that your email is encrypted and safe. So firstly, open up Gmail on your phone, and then once you have Gmail opened up, simply click on Compose, and then from over here simply choose the email address that you want to send this particular email to. Once you have chosen the address, after that type in whatever you want to. I'm just going to type in random text over here, and once that's done, simply click on the top right where you see these three dots. After that, click on confidential mode. Now this is gonna turn on confidential mode, and now you guys can set the expiry. You guys can even require a passcode to open up this particular email, so you guys can have the expiry in 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 5 years. And you guys can even have a password such as an SMS passcode or a standard passcode, which you guys can let the person who is about to receive the email know so that they could open up the email, and this way your email is going to be super confidential. So guys, that is how you guys can encrypt an email on Gmail. I hope this video helped you out, guys. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.